Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I'm going to be flipping through two new sticker books from Mojo Jojoplans. I love using Jojo's sticker books. I think I use them in almost everything, to be honest, because they're just so handy to have. So definitely check out Jojo's site because she's got amazing sticker books. These are really cool that I'm going to be flipping through today, and you will for sure be seeing these in future videos. So definitely grab them while you can, while they're still available. So we have two, like I mentioned, we have series 7 functional boxes. I'm loving this series. I'm really excited for this one because I am missing a bunch of these. So excited to have some in my collection. And then we have a new book, which is monthly glitter boxes. So that's fun. So let's flip through this one first, the functional boxes. And these are currently available to purchase right now if you are interested. And I do have a 10% off code. So yeah, definitely use a code to get 10% off. Now this book is part of a series. This is the 7th book in the series. And it's been focusing on a specific size box in each book. So if you get this series, you will have, each book will have the particular size that you're looking for in here, which I like a lot. It's been really nice to be able to just grab these for a certain size. And it's a very thick book. It's actually 50 sheets instead of 30. So you get quite a bit in here. And these right here, I'm missing so many of these. So I'm excited to be able to have this book to pull from because I like using this particular kind of sticker on my monthlies. Not my monthlies, I like using them on my sidebars. So I like to use them on the sidebar of the planner, and that's usually how I use these. I mean, you can use them however you want, that's just how I like using them. So we have black, a nice black section here, quite a bit actually. So that's 3, 4, 5 sheets of black. Next is red, 1, 2 sheets. Then we have this really dark, like maroon color, like kind of brownish red. 2 of those, and then you get both of them on this sheet. Then going into the oranges, I love this like lighter orange, and then both of the oranges. Now into the yellow, you got a bright yellow, and then a lighter, softer yellow. Then both the yellows, green, and then a very dark green on this one. That one's really pretty. And there's both of the greens. And I like that there's like, they're on both pages because then you can see the differences in the colors. So we got a royal blue, and then more like a sky blue. 2, and then purple, and light purple. And then like a magenta pink color and light pink. I use so many of these. I feel like I don't have this color at all really in a lot of books. Grays, so dark gray, and then a light gray. And then both the grays. And then brown, dark brown, light brown. This is a really nice brown. And then both the browns. Okay, so that is series 7 functional boxes. And next we're gonna go into the monthly glitter boxes. This one looks fun. Okay, so here are the glitter boxes, and then this is meant for the monthly. So you have these right here, which have like little notches, so you can put them on the monthly sections and you can still see the date. So this is the red, and there's 2 different kinds of like glitter. You got like this thicker glitter and then more of a fine glitter, and no foil, so you don't have to worry about that. I don't like foil, so I like that you get the look of the glitter but you don't have like the shine of it, which is really nice. So more of these boxes, you can put these like on 2 days. Then we have orange. These are fun for like birthday spreads, graduation spreads, New Year's spreads, like kind of celebrating kind of spreads, anniversaries. Green. Ooh, this would be good for Christmas, holidays, all that fun stuff. Ooh, this one's really pretty. The blue. I really like that one. Purple. So again, 2 different types of glitter stickers. Pink. I really like the silver one. Love this one. This one's more the chunky silver though. Yeah, the thicker silver on that one. Ooh, this one's a really pretty like brown. It's not brown. I don't know exact color, but it's pretty. I like it. Then we have black. That's fun. I like to use this one on like New Year's spreads. With some silver. So lots of black. And then you have the smaller boxes in the glitter. All the colors. And then the next size box. So again, these fit perfectly in the classic size boxes on the monthly. Okay, love that. Okay, so those are the monthly glitter boxes and the Series 7 functional boxes. Again, these are available right now to purchase, so definitely check out that link down in the description if you are interested, and then also make sure to use that 10% off code to get 10% off your order. Again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next one.